Hello, welcome to Gracie Bed channel. Our recipe for today is Subana fish. I am sharing to you an old Indian proverb saying that if you give a man a fish, he will be hungry tomorrow. If you teach a man to fish, he will be richer forever.
Das ubos na kan? Das ubos na kan?
Another modern version of saying called in Chinese proverb, foreign aid, you give a poor man a fish and you feed him for a day. You teach him to fish and you give him an occupation that will feed him for a lifetime. In cooking the fresh fish, catch fish, we're using the Saladmaster cookware, the 9 inches skillet Saladmaster. Or without oil. So, yan yung test mo. Tingnan mo yung water. Nag-dance-dance na siya. So, na yun. Ibig sabihin yan, ready to fry na yung fish. Sharing to you now how good Saladmaster to prevent the oxidation, losing the nutrition in the food that we eat, and we not using any oil in frying to prevent fats for the health of our heart. So let the food be your medicine. Frying fish without oil. So here it is. I will leave the lid. I will crack the lid like that so that the fish will be, the result of the fried fish will be crunchy. I use the 9 inches skillet Saladmaster for my fried fish. Ayan o, sumba ako, prito ng isda, prito na walang oil, parang sumba na rin yan. Buras, bagong kuha lang to, kaya yun ang dinner namin. How did you know that the fish is really fresh? When you look at the eye, it's very clear. Yan, yung fried na parang sinugba na rin, no? Danggit. Sa sarigaw, no? That's simple and easy way of cooking the fish without any oil, water to make the nutrient intact. That's all, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the all notification bell for next upload.